So our last video about ChatGPT and prompts that you can use with Shopify got some excitement. And in our Facebook group, Laurel Thompson had asked that she's wishing for a chatbot that she could input her customer reviews and it would generate a great product description. And in here I said, hey, I asked it to rewrite that description in QVC. I made it work, and she wanted to know how. So let's record a screencast on how it works, how you can take the product reviews you already have and turn those into a product description. And the magic here is when you use your customers' reviews to make a product description, you're using their voice. You are using voice of customer, how they talk about your product, because how customers talk about your product often different than how you talk about it. So let's give that a shot here. And here we got ChatGPT. Remember, at this time, ChatGPT, free research preview, so anyone can use this. The request came from the owner of this shop, Bayamade. And so first, I need a product that has reviews, has a bunch of reviews. And they don't necessarily have to come from your Shopify store. If you're selling on a marketplace like Etsy or Amazon, you could pull those as well. But I don't want to think about this, so I'm going to go to collections/all. And once we're in here, we should sort by best-selling. But this collection description has product sort disabled. And so if I Google it, sort by best-selling on Shopify, you can actually find the query string that'll do it. So I'm going to copy that. And then on here, we're going to go question mark, paste that, enter. And now it has sorted all the products by best-selling. And here we've got these pants with 7 reviews. Okay, 7 reviews, not crazy. And they have a description on here. Looks good. We're going to scroll down to our reviews. And I need to start copying and pasting these. So we're going to be like, all right, copy, paste that. It's just a text editor that I like. Copy. And so here we've got, this is our block. So I'm just going to copy and paste that. Now we're going to go in ChatGPT. And we're going to say, what's the name of this thing? Perfect, where are these? Charcoal chambray pants. So we're going to say, write a product description for Bayamade gray chambray baby toddler pants based on the following customer review. And then I'm just going to paste that thing in there and hit go. Okay, this sounds good. Seems to be working well. They've been a hit with customers. They could be worn for months or even years. Those are some magic pants. Okay, so this is looking good. It's long, but I need different versions of this. So like here's, as soon as it's done, I'm going to copy it. And what's interesting about ChatGPT is, like if you've ever talked to a smart speaker, like Alexa, you say one thing to her, ask her something else 10 seconds later, she is entirely unaware of the previous thing you said, or it, I should say. Here, ChatGPT does not have that problem. It has persistent memory. So I'm just going to tell it, rewrite that as a 180 character meta description. So now I can get my page meta description out of this. Did this work or is it way too long? No, okay, perfect. So I got my SEO meta description right there. Boom. Rewrite the original product description as an Amazon style listing. I'm just not sure if it's like knows that I'm referring to the first thing it wrote or the short SEO description. No, it's doing it. Okay, cool. Now this one, it's different, but not like particularly different from the previous one. Sometimes when you tell it to do an Amazon style listing, it'll put like bullet points. That's really what I'm looking for here. So I'm going to say it, rewrite that description using bullet points. I guess bullet points is 2 words. I'll try rewrite that description using bullet points. Too many requests. Please slow down. Excuse me. We're making a video for YouTube. Maybe you've heard of it. So it was telling me I was giving it too many requests. I had to slow down. And it looks like if you just refresh the page and then start over with your request, it'll work. All right, so here I pasted in the description without a prompt, and it just replied to me, which is funny. Just replied to me being like, those sound like great pants. Thanks, buddy, you wrote the description. Yeah, thanks. Let's be polite with it. Can you rewrite this? Product description in 5 bullet points. We got it. It did it. That's awesome. Okay, now the really cool part. You could tell it to write in different style. Like an as seen on TV ad. There we go. So now it's made like a more direct response version of that ad. Now through a network error. All right, so this thing is, it's free, it's popular, it's having issues. At the time I attempted to make a screencast, but 100% you see where the issue is. It can't just go directly to a page on the internet. You have to give it the source material. So like give it the reviews, just copy paste them, give it that as a block of text and say, hey, I need you to rewrite this as a product description for a product called X. And then it'll absolutely do it. Once you get that, you could tell it, all right, rewrite that as a meta description in under 300 characters or whatever that limit is set in Shopify. You could have it try and write an SEO page title. You can have it try and write as a commercial. Like there's a bunch of things you could do with it once you get that description worked out.